Right, so here we go, a new setup incoming, a home office makeover. This is my current trading setup here. I did have a little couch and a plant and stuff down there. I've just taken them out. You can see my hallway is a bit of a mess. So the plan is to paint these walls black, fill in all this, move my desk, put a YouTube area in, get some new lighting in. So let's see how it goes. Right, so the office is done. I have put the lights in, all the little touching up bits. It's 99% done. Let's have a look at it, because this is where the real magic happens. So let's start off with the lighting. Obviously I have got these spotlights here. I just got these off Amazon that go all the way up here. I'm still waiting on the final batch to go all the way around there. But they are remote controlled, so I use this remote here. I can turn them off. I can change the color. So you can see here, if I want to change the color. Whatever I'm in the mood with. I kind of like blue, but I also, you know, if I'm losing trades, we can always go to a nice little red color, shall we? And then if we're making money, we go to the green. And that's what we're doing right now on the StockNet Institute account. Up about 1700. Looking to scale this to 40K. Anyway, that video is another video on my StockNet Road to 1 million journey. But that is my first little bit of lights. I've also got these LEDs at the top. They are remote controlled as well. I usually like to match the color, obviously. So if they're green, I put it down here. And obviously all the LEDs go green as well. What I do sometimes like is they've got the, I think the smooth option as well. You put it smooth and then it changes. So I can do that with these lights as well, where they kind of go, you know, different colors. And anyway, that is the light. Light it up pretty nicely. Turn these to green. I'll turn these back to blue. Actually, I do like blue. Blue is probably my favorite color. The blue of Scotland. You can see all around the office I've got these black things here. These are for the sound, I don't know what they're actually called, very cheap things from Amazon. That I put around here so there's not as much of an echo in the room, so all these black things. I think they they make it look quite cool other than just the black paint. We give the room a bit of texture and make it look pretty cool. I made them into a fancy pattern. Just use adhesive spray to stick them on, and off your uncle. My little plant there in the corner is not real because every plant I have dies. So my girlfriend got me a fake one and I kind of like it. This bit here is purely for show. Now this is the worst computer I've ever bought in my life. It cost me $1,000 and it's purely used now as a decorative piece. Got my nice tartan little bit here to remind everyone where I come from. Obviously I am Scottish. So this little thing is interesting. I got this for my graduation in 2012. Wow. 10 years ago now. Shit, I'm getting old. And then about a year into my trading journey, I wrote something in it when I was really down in the dumps, and I can't remember what was in it. So I've still not opened it. There's a little note into myself. I think I'm gonna wait until I feel like the time is right before I open that. I honestly can't remember what was in it or what I wrote. I'm pretty sure it was something like, you better be better at trading by the time you open this. But that's there to remind me of where I came from, essentially. A little poof down there that I use for when I sit and do my YouTube videos. And speaking of YouTube, you can see my lights up here. I don't know what make these lights are. I've got 3 of them here. I bought a pack of 3. They're called something lights. I can't remember the name of them. Someone will know in the comments. Cloud lights? No. YouTube lights? What are they called? So I've got a tall one here that looks down on when you're recording. Apparently that's good. I've got 2 more, but this is surplus to requirements. And really I just use these 2 lights to light up the YouTube shot, which comes from this upside down vase here. So I put my YouTube camera, as you can see here, onto here. And I move this a little bit up so you can see the screens and everything at the back end. I actually use this because the chair is too high. So I use my little poof to come down, record YouTube videos with a nice background. So I think it looks pretty cool. So I just have literally an upside down vase, which Megan probably wouldn't like me to use, but I'm using it anyway for my YouTube stand or camera stand, which just shows you can just use anything that you want. So obviously I've got a little bathroom in here. My dog's bowl's there because we don't use this shower. So this is where he comes to get water everywhere because he's a big dog that puts it everywhere. This is just a bog standard bathroom. Nice to have in an office. Now this is where the magic happens. Right here I've got my phone stand that I use to do my stupid Instagram reels that I think are funny that maybe aren't funny, but if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put a link down here. Ryan_top_FX. Make some silly content. And now we get to the main part of the office, which is obviously the trading setup. So there you go, I've got my 4 trading screens here. These are Samsung 27-inch curved monitors. To be honest, I don't think you need curved monitors. I started off with my one here, then I wanted another one there. I needed another one for work, and then I got another one for work, and I ended up having 4. You know the old saying, and it's true, the more screens you have, the better trader you are, right? So in terms of the actual computer, I don't know much about computers. That is my computer. I've upgraded it a few times. It did cost quite a lot of money, but don't ask me what's in there because I have no idea. I've got my additional USB stuff for obviously additional storage. Got my light up keyboard and mouse, and I've got my Shure, I think it's a Shure S7 mic, which is a great mic that I use to do my live streams. For Simplicity members, if you're not a member, 7 days free. Check the link down below. Learn how to trade properly, the right way, no bullshit, 7 days for free. I've also got my very bog standard Logitech speakers. See one at the background here as well, and a subwoofer down there. I can't have 2 powerful speakers because the neighbors wouldn't be very happy, but that is perfectly enough for me. So why I need 4 screens, I basically have, my trading screen is always on this one. You can see, as I said, I'm in a nice Euro-pound trade there to the short side. Actually coming down a little bit now as well, which is perfect. Go baby, go. This might take me up to 40K on the StockNet Institute challenge. On this screen, I'll normally have the Discord up here because when I live stream, it's all interactive so people can chat, ask questions, etc. So I can see it when I'm looking at these 2 screens. The bottom left here is where OBS is, i.e. where I stream on YouTube or Discord, etc. My OBS is down there. And I project that onto this screen so the members don't see the OBS software when I'm streaming. Maybe I'm doing that wrong, but that's just essentially the way that I do it. So I've got my software, streaming software there, and obviously trading Discord watch list up here, which you can see here actually. My watch list today doesn't have a lot into it. Just looking at a USD Mexican and a Kiwi Swiss short, but under no pressure to take any of those trades. Remember, little trading tip, less is always more in my opinion. Right guys, so there's my office. I hope you liked it. If you did, I would hit that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit subscribe. You can always unsubscribe later. Now remember, if you are a trader, check the links down below for 7 days free to Simplicity Trading. If not, no problem. I'll see you in the next video. And always remember to trade safe.